everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a little slime video. So the first thing I'm going to talk about is how to make slime. So there are two activators, a lot of activators that you can use. I use Tide, and borax. You can also use contact solution, but you're going to need baking soda for the contact solution as well. And then you're going to you guys can use face mask sometimes to make no glue slime, but normally you're going to need Elmer's white glue, or if you want to make clear slime, you can use Elmer's clear glue, but if you're going to make clear slime, use borax or contact solution, because Tide is going to just color it. So yeah. Here is my slime. It was made with borax, and then my friend made it, and it was made with borax. And then I used to make a whole bunch of slime as well, but they all dry out. And this one probably won't dry out, So yeah, now we're gonna probably do some ASMR. JK guys, today I'm gonna do slime pet peeves. So, my first pet peeve that I'm going to be doing is when they make it, like, crackle, but they don't. You'll see what I mean. So that was my first slime pet peeve. My next slime pet peeve is when the slime gets all over them and they can't get it off. Let's get it. And that kind of says the last one. My next pet peeve is when they handle the slime like really rough. Show you guys that. Yeah. The next slime pet peeve is when they keep on like breathing in the camera. Yeah. So, okay, you guys, this is my number one pet peeve of all pet peeves. Is when they're like playing with the slime, right? And then they go to poke it, like they go, like, so the slime is in the container, which I don't have a container right now, but the slime is in the container, and they like pour the slime out. So I'll show you guys it right now. Pour the slime out. And they go to touch it, and it's like all liquid. And they try to like do that, and it like doesn't work. So that is for the slime pet peeves. Now I'm just gonna do a huge like ending, which is an ASMR. So everyone in my house, please be super quiet because I'm doing an ASMR. really doing an ASMR, you guys. Just basically playing with the slime. And now we're going to do a huge bubble. Or I'm going to try to do one. Look at how satisfying this is. I like have to bed down, but I got like a whoopee cushion a few days ago, and I really like sitting on it. I know that it's like to make fart noises, but like I was just sitting on it right now, and it feels so good. But I don't want it, which is why I'm not moving it around, as you can see, is because I don't want to sit down on it like too much and it makes the fart noise, which just happened, and I don't want you guys to think I farted, because that would be weird, because I didn't. I'm sitting on a whoopee cushion. I would show it to you guys after the ASMR. I still remember. Ew, that looks really nice, like as if I was eating it. I'm trying to get like a thumbnail. I was doing this. Oh my god, that looks so realistic. I was just trying to get a thumbnail, you guys. My little sister isn't home. She went grocery shopping and I just got home from theater and fame class, so. And then I have to go to my cousin's job and all this crazy stuff happening. By the way, it's not butter slime. It's more of a fluffy slime. See, when I smear it, it like... Ooh, it's actually like... Could be butter slime. It's more like a fluffy slime, because on the ends right here, it see what it's doing. That's just got. It's like actually really dark in the room, like in reality. But like on camera, it has like a light. I film on my phone, by the way. The iPhone 6 Plus. I'm kidding, guys. Do not eat your slime. I wasn't really gonna do it, but that'll probably be the thumbnail. I just like playing with it on camera. But you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video of me like showing you guys my new slime, trying to do an ASMR, and some ASMR pet peeves. Bye guys!